pesky old rain interrupted my work process again, but thankfully all I was finishing off with was doing a bit of buffing, just to make it look a bit more presentable. What I'll be doing is painting over it, just to kind of give it a good old seal. I think what I'll just end up doing is just taking plain old paint, white or black, probably black, and then just painting over it just to give it a good seal. In terms of on the outside, I have a plan for the underside of the car, buffing that out, getting rid of all of that thick paint, whatever is on it before, and doing a proper coat. I was recommended Rhino liner. I think I'll be going with that, but that's a ways away before that happens. That's going to be one of the final steps. But other than that, happy to be done with it. Definitely satisfied with the way it looks. Very industrial, rustic, kind of. But it should offer more room with the bigger tires. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all that have subscribed, and thanks for you watching right now. You are awesome. No, I mean it. Don't look at me that way. I appreciate you. I do, actually. What do you mean I'm not talking to you? Stay rusty.